In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Bookmarklet in Google Chrome. To begin, look near the top of your Chrome window for the Bookmarks bar. Now right-click that empty space on the Bookmarks bar. A small menu will appear with several bookmark-related options. In the menu, click Add Page or Add Bookmark, depending on the wording shown in your version of Chrome. After you click it, Chrome will open a small dialog box where you can enter the details for your bookmarklet. You should now see fields for the bookmark name and the URL. The name is what will appear on your bookmarks bar, so it is important to choose something clear and easy to recognize. Click inside the name field and type a memorable name. For example, you could use a name like Make Page Editable. The exact name is up to you, but it should describe the action of the JavaScript code you are going to use. A short descriptive name is best because it keeps your bookmarks bar organized and easy to scan. Next, move to the URL field. This is the most important part of creating the bookmarklet. In a normal bookmark, this field contains a website address. For a bookmarklet, this field will contain JavaScript code instead. Click inside the URL field and erase any existing text that appears there. Make sure the field is completely cleared before you paste anything new. After the field is clear, paste your JavaScript code into the URL field. Be careful to paste the complete code exactly as intended. Bookmarklets usually need the full JavaScript text in order to run properly. If part of the code is missing or if extra characters are added, the bookmarklet may not behave the way you expect. Once the name and URL fields are filled in correctly, take a moment to review them. Confirm that the name is easy to recognize, and confirm that the URL field contains your JavaScript code rather than a regular website address. Finally, click Save. Chrome will add the new bookmarklet to your bookmarks bar. From now on, you can use it by clicking the bookmarklet while you are on a page where you want that JavaScript action to run. That covers everything you need to know.